experiencing intense anger, headaches, or even skin issue more often? Ever wondered why this happens? The answer might lie in an ancient concept from traditional Chinese medicine, known as liver heat. Welcome to our health channel. I'm Dr. Bruce from GinSen. Today we will explore an important concept in traditional Chinese medicine, liver heat, and how it affects our health. So what is liver heat? In traditional Chinese medicine, liver heat refers to an excess of heat energy in the liver meridian. This imbalance can be caused by emotional stress, dietary habits, and environmental factors. Common symptoms of liver heat include irritability, get angry very easily, and headaches, dizziness, red eyes, and a bitter taste in the mouth. Effects of liver heat on the body. So liver heat not only affects emotions, but also disrupts the endocrine system, particularly the hypothalamic pituitary ovarian axis. This disruption can alter follicle-stimulating hormone levels, leading to menstrual irregularities and other reproductive health issues. Methods to regulate liver heat. In traditional Chinese medicine, regulating liver heat involves using heat-clearing herbs such as ginseng roots, Scutellaria, and gardenia fruits. So these herbs help clear excess heat from the liver and gallbladder meridians. So acupuncture is also effective, with common points being Tai Chong, Hegu, and Yanglin Quan. Additionally, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, avoiding spicy and greasy food, and reducing stress can help manage liver heat. Longdan Cao Tang by GinSen is a master class of herbal blended supplements for stress and body heat toxic. And this one, liver detoxing remedy by GinSen, natural supplement designed to cleanse liver for improved skin health. They are ultra detoxing supplements, fast remove the liver and gallbladder heat toxic accumulation. In the meanwhile, nourish body in yin and qi and anti-inflammation. So add to your daily routine to eliminate symptoms such as dry skin, rash, eczema, acne. Can also help with other issues such as stress and fertility struggles. In summary, liver heat is a condition that needs attention. Through proper regulation and lifestyle adjustment, its effects can be mitigated. If you are looking for effective products to manage liver heat, GinSen offers solutions like Longdan Cao Tang and liver detoxing remedy to clear heat and detoxify the liver. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone else who might want to know about liver heat and fertility. Thanks for watching. I'm Dr. Bruce, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.